Hello, share lang namin to experience namin ngayong weekend. Ito, may laro yung mga bata under 14 soccer game sa Central Coast dito sa may Sydney. Ito lang yung mga clips ng mga game. Tapos nagstay kami ng konti dito sa game ng under 15. Medyo umuulan. Ito medyo lumalakas na yung ulan nito. Pero diretso pa rin yung game. Tapos ng game namin, ito kumain kami dito sa Oyster Shed. Sa may Muni-Muni. Malapit sa Central Coast din. Seafood chowder na. Ayan, kita nyo yung mga talaba nila. Tapos meron silang malalaking talaba.
This is, what do you want, half a dozen or something?
Just a half one.
Those ones there?
Do you want that?
Nah, a prawn. Get a prawn, the small one.
Just a small prawn, please.
Prawn and a chowder?
Yep.
Ang in-order namin talaba, hipon, tapos clam chowder. Ayan, basurahan ay tapunan nila ng mga ng talaba, shell. Kasi ito maghahanap na kami ng table. Ang ganda ng view dito. Yan yung kakainan yung table. Tapos makikita nyo yan. Lapit nyo. Hindi ko makita yung talaba. May plastic.
Mamaya. Is this reserved?
Lipat-lipat siya. Lipat-lipat. Laki. Takpan. Laki. Budge. Ito yung anak ko, parang ayaw niya nung talaba, pero nakadalawa siya.
Mga ibon na babasa.
Bubus ko to dito, ha?
Lagyan mo lemon.
Ha?
Bala ka.
Okay na to muna. Laki pa naman, oh. Oh, shit. Laki, oh. Hati lang, kalahati lang kakainin ko. Half lang siguro, sayang eh. Pero hindi, buo na. Oh shit, ang laki. Kaya ko ba to?
Kadiri.
Sarap. Solid. Sarap. Hindi pa naka-record.
Pati lemon malaki.
I want to try one, but wala naman. No, wala naman. I don't want it.
It's too big.
No, I don't want that one.
You want me to bite it?
No, I don't want spicy one.
It's not spicy.
I don't want one. Dude, that looks like a ball sack.
Hindi mo ininom.
Okay, fine. If I don't like it.
Inumin mo yung kalahati lang kainin.
I don't know how to eat it.
Just eat half. Don't eat all.
I want to eat this side. I want to eat this side.
Hi.
Have you got more to come?
No more.
No more? Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Nice.
Sayang yung talaba. Sure.
No.
Ayan o, ayaw niya ng talaba, pero pangalawa niya na yan. Inumin mo.
Okay.
Oh, chowder, tikman mo na. Tapos ito, dumating na yung seafood chowder.
Okay. I want a bread.
Cut it muna. Cut it in.
I like the squishy bit.
Same pa, squishy.
shake pa. I don't want bread. Oh.
Tapos ito, subukan naman natin yung hipon. Tapos ito yung cocktail sauce ng hipon. Tikman natin. Napapapikit siya, oh. Sarap, oh. Sarap. Tapos nga kumain ito, nag-video lang ako ng mga sightseeing yan, umuulan.
Bye-bye.
Yan, may ibon pa sa poste. Okay, thank you for watching.